Hey, have you heard? Google is phasing out of call only ads. So going forward, the call functionality will be handled in a call asset attached to responsive search ads. So for most advertisers, this isn't an issue at all. Call only ads were never really required to succeed. Some industry they use it, it works really well, like legal. So if you test out in this industry and it works, then you probably will miss this. But if you were previously using call only ads, the solution is still simple. As I mentioned, add call assets, and then optimize your call intent for call intent, and then track what do you call it, and then track just track the calls properly. And for everyone else, doesn't really change much. So that's the update. Don't freak out. Google is doing some fear mongering because they want people to push over to automation, and this is one step toward that. So it sounds scary. Don't freak out. If you're not chances are you probably aren't even using it anyway. So if that's the case, not a big deal. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Have a good rest of your day.